given that licence by Pep to...
They absolutely cannot believe it. Away from Gundogan, I don't know, we'll see it again.
Got to get their concentration right here. De Bruyne. And it's another opportunity, this time for Rodri, which goes flashing past the post. Midfield. Given away cheaply by Fernandes. And Grealish is on the...
Okay, it's interesting, you quite rightly mentioned. Yeah.
Find Fernandes.
So, as it is, what they have done, United, in the early...
Casemiro's trying to pick him up. They do get into that no man's land in between the two lines, then they're in big trouble, because they've got, as we've talked about Haaland, that ability to...
There are probably one or two United fans who like to have seen him make a dive or have had an effort at it, but...
Jadon Sancho. Kanji backing off, Rashford wanting the ball. Rodri, Gundogan, Haaland made a run.
Curling away from him, but the pace of Walker again, dear me.
A good record of scoring against Manchester City in derbies.
If you watch him, he'll take part in the game almost begrudgingly, and then wants to position himself for a finish.
Haaland. Dribbles away from Varane. He wasn't too far away. They almost were out of the game again then.
I mean, it's just brilliant forward play.
Wan-Bissaka's ball to Sancho wasn't accurate enough.
And you should make sure the pass for Rashford, and make sure Rashford...
Casemiro's delivery, Rashford's flick. Didn't trouble the Manchester City goalkeeper. The first sight of goal for Marcus Rashford.
Yeah, but he's not interested.
He's to wander. It's De Bruyne. Even when his team are 1-0 up in a cup final, he certainly won't be satisfied.
Right ball, just didn't hit it hard enough.
Saka coming round the back. And half-hearted claims for handball from everyone apart from Bruno Fernandes. It's Fernandes against Ortega. It's 1-1 in the cup final, and somehow Manchester United are back in it. And they have, quite literally, been given a helping hand. And they might just do it. Here's Kevin De Bruyne. Wan-Bissaka, De Bruyne to Silva, back to De Bruyne. Teases it into the 6-yard box. And now Stones, look where he's gone. Pulls it back. De Bruyne challenged by Fred. And now Manchester City won the penalty.
No, did brilliant, Fred.
Look at that. De Bruyne has picked it up and dragged them up the pitch. Rashford still got... He's been a rarity up until now. Here is Varane. What a chance.
Oh, he's got to score. I mean, he has to win it now.
They all find themselves in that. He's trying to find a way to squeeze that ball into Haaland, but Rashford getting the bounce of the ball. Gundogan attempting to clear. It's a little bit late from Aaron Wan-Bissaka. Not sure how much contact there was. De Bruyne.
That Roy's a United fan.
De Bruyne. There's a tussle between Varane and Haaland. Referee Paul Tierney says it was half a one. De Bruyne passes it through. Silva finding De Bruyne again. Fred over there engaging and being a little too aggressive. And then Kevin De Bruyne comes back to Gundogan. And he's done it again. Well, they really do score all kinds of wonderful goals. Sancho, room to manoeuvre. Wan-Bissaka, dawdling a little bit. Wan-Bissaka, down the side of the box. The best of crosses, Stones. Not been caught by Fred. De Bruyne. He's taken a big deflection. He didn't spot him. Grealish being harassed by Castro. Been a feature recently. He's only been able to play around about 60 minutes a game. There's a surprised that it snuck in past him. De Bruyne. Still coming, De Bruyne. It's the feet of David De Gea. Block that shot on target. Gundogan.
Inside left.
Playmaker going for goal. Number of occasions. Not quite be Edison, but he's pretty competent. De Bruyne. Tries to nudge it on to good Fernandes. Now Rashford. It's Marcus Rashford. And there was a bit of panic from the City back line there. Stones. Trying to hit that. Square it for Haaland. This is Grealish. This is Haaland. That's a save. And there's Gundogan. And the offside flag is up to deny him a hat-trick. Here's Garnacho. It's a big chance. And it's only narrowly wide.